We're learning about new technology recently approved by the FDA.
It can help detect residual breast cancer tissue during a lumpectomy.
As I learned, the largest group involved in this U.S. clinical trial was in Winston-Salem.
How did it feel to be a participant in something like this?
Amazing.
Clinical trials can bring anxiety in the unknown, and Donna Huey definitely felt that.
I can assure you, I went home and looked up everything that was available.
But she says now she is thankful she took part.
I think the diagnosis of cancer scared me so much that at the time I was like, I would do anything not to be in that situation again.
Huey is one of 103 breast cancer patients with Novant Health who took part in the Lumicell clinical trial. Here's how it works. The Lumicite drug is administered in patients, and it illuminates cancer cells left after a lumpectomy.
And it attaches to an enzyme that's associated with the tumor.
Dr. David Carr was the surgeon on all of the Winston-Salem cases.
If there's any residual tumor, we can identify the immunofluorescent dye with the Lumicell probe.
And then they remove those cancerous cells. Carr says this has never been possible with a normal lumpectomy.
Donna's result was one of the more gratifying results we had because in her case, we were able to detect a satellite cancer.
And that prevented future surgeries and even cancer reoccurrence.
It did make a difference in my life. My oncologist told me the cancer would have come back. And I've been fortunate that I've been able to check some things off my bucket list because I realized after my treatment and my diagnosis that, life's important right now.
Since getting the procedure in 2020, Huey reports no side effects whatsoever. And that's the case with 99% of participating patients in the Lumicell clinical trial. And now the drug officially has FDA approval. Carr says he is proud Medical Park Hospital's patients represent the largest group of any institution that participated in this phase 3 of Lumicell's clinical trial. And he is looking forward to seeing this technology help even more patients in the future.
There are other tumors that are being looked into by the research department at Lumicell to expand this into other organ systems, so it's quite exciting.
And Dr. Carr there says Lumicite, the drug, and the Lumicell probe will hopefully become commercially available as of this fall, just in time for Breast Cancer Education and Awareness Month. So really timely and going to make a huge impact for so many patients.
Thank you, Jack.